Eudaimonia welcomes you. This is Humaira and today's video is going to be very simple yet an important one. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Aren't you tired of hearing this statement? And yet I have noticed that people restrict themselves to 1 liter of water. I wonder why. Either they are not aware of the importance, or they are just lazy, or they forget. So instead of telling you how much water you should drink, I thought I should tell you why you should drink water. So let us understand how our body works in maintaining a water balance. In case of thirst, the nerves that are indebted in the brain triggers and sends messages to the body in order for it to drink water. And once it is replenished with water, these signals stop. The second one is osmosis, where there is passive flow of water from one compartment of your body to another. And third one is the interaction between the pituitary gland and the kidneys. So the pituitary gland will release vasopressin, that is an antidiuretic hormone, in case where the body has less water. This vasopressin will then tell the kidney to reserve some water because it doesn't have enough, and thus you will urinate in less amount. Whereas compared to times when your body has enough water, the release of vasopressin will be less, so the kidney will be able to release its excess urine. Let us address the important question: why you should drink water? Water helps in keeping the normal temperature of your body, because when you sweat, your body temperature becomes low and then it becomes high because there is no water that has been received by the body, and that is because of loss of electrolytes. So in case where you sweat a lot, you should make sure that you drink plenty of water. Otherwise it could cause dehydration, and dehydration can in turn have a lot of problem with your internal body, because it helps in removing the toxic wastes and it helps in detoxifying your body, it helps in keeping your skin and hair healthy, it helps in digestion and weight management, etc. Water also helps in lubricating and cushioning the joints, it supports the internal organs, the tissues, and it helps in making your bowel movements smooth in regular urination, perspiration, etc. Important consideration is during certain times when your demand for water increases. One is when it is a hot climate, because obviously because of the sun or the heat you're going to sweat more, you're going to lose your electrolytes. So again, to be energized and to replenish your electrolytes, you should drink water. The second one is an important one, where you are an athlete or you are into exercise, fitness, or you are doing any physical activity. You should make sure that you're drinking water regularly, even while you're working out, because your body is dehydrated. The hydration in the body will help in enhancing your performance. It will make your strength, power and endurance better, and you will be able to exercise for longer. And the third one is when you are sick, especially when you have fever, vomiting or diarrhea, then drinking water is more important, because again there's loss of fluid, there's loss of electrolytes, and these need to be met. So here are 3 tips for you. These will help in increasing your water intake, and you can drink water in the right manner. The first one would be to keep your water bottle right in front of you at your workplace or wherever you are, even on the go, so that you're reminded of drinking water. The excuse of laziness and forgetfulness will not come in the way. If you cannot take your water, or if you are forgetful, then you can set reminders, and there are applications for the same, where you get notified at short intervals that now is the time to drink water. This way you will feel more energized and active, and you will be more motivated because you can track how much water you've had. The second tip is an important one. You should not stand and drink water. It adds pressure to your joints, and also the water gushes down into your body without even reaching the different parts. So you should sit and drink in small sips. The third and the final tip is that you can make your water flavorful by adding lemon, mint or any other fruit that you want, so that you are more energized and you will be able to detoxify your body. And remember, water has 0 calories, so no worries, you can drink as much as you want. That's all for today. I am feeling very dehydrated and thirsty right now, so I better go and grab my bottle. I hope you stay hydrated and happy. I will see you all next Sunday. Do like, share and subscribe to Eudaimonia. Until next time, love, invest, find yourself and enjoy.